HTML, Hypertext Markup Language, is a standardized markup language used to create web pages and other information that can be displayed in a web browser. HTML provides the structure and content of a web page, and uses a system of tags and attributes to define the layout, text, images, links, and other elements on the page. HTML documents are interpreted by web browsers, which render the content and display it on a user's screen. HTML is a fundamental building block of the World Wide Web and is the standard language used to create web pages. Familiarize yourself with HTML syntax. HTML consists of elements, tags, and attributes that are used to define the structure and content of a web page. Learn the basic HTML tags. Start with the most commonly used tags such as headings, paragraphs, lists, links, images, and tables. Practice. Create a simple HTML document and experiment with different tags and attributes. Learn about HTML semantics. HTML5 introduce semantic elements, such as header, nav, main, article, and footer, that give meaning to the structure of a web page. Get to know CSS. HTML and CSS work hand in hand to style a web page. CSS can be used to change the layout, colors, and typography of a page. Practice. Start by applying basic styles to your HTML document, then move on to more complex layouts. Familiarize yourself with HTML best practices, keep your code organized, use meaningful names, and validate your HTML. Keep learning and experimenting. The web is constantly evolving, and there is always more to learn about HTML and web development in general. Keep practicing and exploring new concepts and technologies. Explore HTML frameworks. Popular HTML frameworks like Bootstrap, Foundation, and Materialize make it easier to create responsive, mobile-friendly websites. Join online communities. Joining forums, groups, or communities of like-minded individuals can provide you with valuable resources, feedback, and support as you continue to learn and grow. Read documentation and tutorials. The web is filled with helpful resources and tutorials on HTML. Utilize these resources to gain a deeper understanding of HTML and its capabilities. Work on projects. Put your skills to the test by working on personal projects or contributing to open source projects. This will help you apply your knowledge and gain real-world experience. Keep up with the latest advancements. Stay up to date with the latest advancements in HTML and web development by following industry leaders and attending conferences and workshops. For more interesting videos, please watch all our videos.